What's good, guys? Your boy PG Reed, and today I have a new video for y'all, okay? So I'll be talking to you guys about the Supreme Week 1 Summer Spring drop of 2019, okay? As always, at the start of Supreme season, it does not drop on a Thursday, which it usually does on the other drops, okay? The drop will be on a different day, and in this case, it will be on Monday, February 25th at 11 a.m. If you are new to Supreme, they drop every Thursday at 11 a.m. Now, there are a ton of things releasing in this week 1 drop of Supreme, but to be honest, a lot of these stuff are bricks, okay? There are a couple items in this drop that I would recommend you guys to go for. The first item will be the leather varsity jacket. This has a hefty retail price of $698, and currently on StockX it is going for $1,000. This depends on the size. However, around next year this time, my prediction is that you can go and sell this leather jacket for around $3,000, okay? So if you get lucky and get it, I would recommend that you hold it, because if you hold it, then more time passes, you can sell it for more. I wouldn't necessarily say that the size that you get matters, but I would tell you guys to go for small or extra large, because those are like the better money makers. The next item that we have is a Supreme airbrushed floral deck in black and white. This item will be retailing at $49, and current resale prediction is around $89, okay? Once again, I would recommend you guys to hold on to the item as long as you can for the possible future, because it has Supreme on the board. This is something that collectors go crazy for. I can see this board hitting $130 to $150 in the near future. And finally, the last item I'll be talking about today is a Supreme silk camel shirt. This shirt comes in the blue and red colorways. It will retail for about $168, and currently on StockX you can resell for around $300. Once again, I recommend that if you hold this shirt for a year or so, you can probably sell it for around $500. In this case, I would say the size small will be the best case or choice to get. Some honorable mentions that I would say would have good resale potential are all the bags, the chino hoodie, and the tape seam jacket. Now that we got all of that out of the way, now it's time for me to tell you guys how to cop, okay? Week 1 will be relatively easy, as most bots won't work because of the new changes Supreme will add to the site. To have a chance at copying anything, you will have to set up autofill on your Google Chrome, put in your address, your card information, and so on. Supreme does not accept PayPal at all, okay? So keep that in mind. Also, before every drop, copy your card number, because on certain days autofill does not work. And as always, memorize your CVC number on your card, okay? That is really all there is to it. I would say that Supreme is definitely one of the easiest sites to actually get items off of, because all you have to do is really be fast and set up autofill and Google Chrome stuff like I told you before, okay? Just another small tip: if you're using a laptop, I would suggest that you get an external mouse, because it's harder to be fast. It's harder to be fast on the laptop with the mouse pad than it is on the external mouse. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer any of your questions. Also, follow me on Instagram at DA_REIDY Reedy. It's been your boy PG Reed, guys, and I'm out.